It's one of those days you walk outside and something feels a little bit off. Well, temperature-wise, it feels rather pleasant, but the humidity, you start to smell the air and it smells wet. Well, that's the sign of you can smell the rain coming. No, it's not an old wives' tale. It's actually something legitimate, and which is fascinating because you have those easterly winds pulling in plenty of moisture right off the Gulf of Mexico. It also feels cooler because the reason we're actually getting some of these storms is from a cold front. So notice, at least in the northern parts of the basin, we're seeing those lower 80s, upper 70s, but closer toward the border, we're looking at Presidio, Big Bend in those upper 90s, about 98 degrees right now. All right, what about these storms though? All right, there's two little clusters. Two of them, or one of them, is going to be on Fort Davis and Alpine. Nothing severe, barely even a strike of lightning, maybe some small hail. The other one is up toward Carlsbad, one severe warned storm. The hail core on it looks to be relatively weakening. I'm mainly focused on this part of the Permian Basin because this is where the highest severe risk is expected to be, with that level 2 risk for that strong wind as well as a probably moderate sized hail. But by tonight, what can we expect? Oh, okay. I'm seeing more of these 60s on here. That's a lot more reasonable. Your ACE can finally actually catch up, although today it's probably not running too terribly much. And I think that makes us pretty happy when it comes to our electric bills at the end of the day. So heading out the door tomorrow morning, 67 degrees, maybe a little bit of a leftover shower or thunderstorm, but it's going to pick up once again coming home, only heading about 90. So again, kind of similar to what we're seeing right now. Today, obviously a bit cooler, but similar situation with that chance for some strong to severe storms. Here's when the biggest impact is expected. That's going to be around 7, 8, 9 o'clock tonight. We're talking Midland, Odessa, Big Spring, Snyder, and then by 11 o'clock, it's gone. Okay. Fine, I see how it is. Then if you missed out on the rain chances, what about your Tuesday afternoon? Okay, I see a bit more of it, this time heading right around Big Lake, Ozona. Okay, that actually makes sense considering that's where the Storm Prediction Center has that next level 2 risk. I'll get to that in just a minute, but I want to show you the other model run. That's going to be the IBM model showing similar type of situation. It all moves out pretty early on, and then a quick little pop-up showers and thunderstorms, although this model has it missing most of Big Lake and Ozona. Now, what about your hump day? Well, actually not much going on. So you just have to deal with that severe chance for tonight, for tomorrow, and then beyond that, well, it's actually not too terribly bad. Mild to warm conditions. Average high this time of year is 95. And you know what? I don't see triple digits, although we all know that can change in an instant. Jolena?
Please no.